Hello everyone, welcome back to Traditional Home Remedies. In today's video, I will talk about our body's powerhouse, heart health. The heart is one of the most important parts of our body. It is responsible not only for pumping blood to all parts of the body, but also for recirculating deoxygenated blood and recirculating it once it has been oxygenated. Heart disease can weaken the functioning of the heart and does not allow it to perform its functions normally. High blood pressure is one of the major reasons behind all these types of disorders. Regular exercise and healthy eating habits can prevent and reduce the risk of heart disorders. Garlic. Garlic is considered to be the healthiest food in the world and one of the best vegetables with many health benefits. Garlic is a magical remedy to protect your heart from cardiovascular problems like atherosclerosis and heart attacks. With increasing age, the arteries gradually lose their ability to stretch. Garlic helps reduce this tendency and protects the heart from damage caused by free oxygen radicals. Make sure to include raw garlic in your diet. But be sure not to consume more than 2 and 3 raw garlic pods per day. Excess consumption of garlic is unsafe for pregnant women. Green tea. Research has found that people who regularly consume green tea have a 46% lower risk of heart disease. Green tea reduces the chances of heart attack and stroke. Green tea reduces the formation of bad cholesterol and prevents the rise of blood pressure. Regular consumption of about 2 cups of green tea per day is believed to keep the heart and blood vessels in good condition and may help reduce your risk of developing heart disease. Flax seeds. Flax seeds contain a fatty acid called ALA. ALA is wonderful for reducing artery inflammation and for preventing cholesterol from building up in your blood. Keeping cholesterol out of the heart may also limit the chances of stroke and heart attack. Ground flaxseed is much easier to digest than whole flaxseed. Whole flax seeds can be ground in a grinder, and the powder can be stored in an airtight container for easy use. You can take 1 teaspoon of flax seeds powder after breakfast. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and it has helped me a lot. Take care, and thanks for watching.